Hey you guys, Stephanie here. Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, you guys, as y'all can see by the title, I'm going to be doing a glasses try on haul. So for those of you who may not know, yes, I do wear glasses, and without my prescriptive eyewear, I am as blind as a bat, y'all. So I always either have my contacts in or my glasses in. And actually, I recently lost my glasses not too long ago. So when VoogueMe reached out to me for this collaboration, I thought this would be the perfect time to choose a new pair of glasses and to also share with you guys. So this is a sponsored video in collaboration with VoogueMe, and they sent me 5 glasses for me to try out. So I'm super excited to share with you guys. So for those of you who never heard of VoogueMe, they are a glasses company that specializes in stylish eyewear at an affordable price. So they have many different glasses at different prices as well. The price really varies. They have glasses on that website for as low as $1 up to about $34.99. So really, depending on what you're looking for, they have it. And their site carries hundreds, if not thousands, of many different glasses from different colors, different styles. They really have a wide variety of glasses to choose from. All right, you guys, so without further ado, I'm gonna try these glasses on. I'm so excited. Now, as y'all can see, I kept my makeup very neutral for the purpose of this video, and I also decided to put my hair in a ponytail so you guys could see the glasses well. So yeah, let's just jump straight into it. All right, you guys, so when you order a pair of glasses from them, this is what it comes in. So they send each pair of glasses with a pouch, a glasses pouch, and the material of this, it feels like a microfiber material. So the material on this, it feels really good. It's not something that's gonna scratch up your glasses. It feels very soft. And when you take the glasses out, they are further protected in this microfiber cloth. So I really like how they protect the glasses to ensure that the glasses are not scratched up or anything. So with each pair of glasses that you purchase is gonna come with this microfiber cloth and the pouch. And as you can see, they further protect the glasses again with a saran wrap. I unpackaged the other glasses, but I just wanted to show you this one. I haven't opened this one yet, as y'all can see. So I'm just gonna remove the saran wrap on these. So this is what the first pair looks like. And as y'all can see, the lens on these glasses look so freaking clear. I don't know if the camera's picking it up and doing it justice, but in person, the lens on the glasses looks super, super clear. So these first pair of glasses, they're called Elektra. I picked up these glasses in the color black, but they do have it available in 3 other colors. So they have it available in black, gray, and turquoise. And you could also see the gold trimming on the side. It has like a gold T. All right, you guys, so let's try these bad boys on. Ooh, yes! These glasses are fire. Oh my God. Listen, I know I didn't try on the rest of the glasses yet. You're actually seeing my first impression of all of the glasses, but I'ma already say this in confidence, like, I think this is gonna be my favorite pair out of all of them. Like, I'm already calling it. I'm already calling it. These glasses are fly. What? I love this. For me personally, I prefer glasses that have the cat eye shape. I just feel like it complements my face shape the best. And I also want to mention, you guys, the site also have a try on feature. So you could upload a face picture of you and you could try on the glasses on the website before you make your purchase and your final decision. So I thought that was a very cool feature and very helpful. So I got these glasses in my prescription, so I can see very, very clear in them. So I already know these are gonna be my new glasses. Like, I'm gonna be using these bad boys every day. You know what? These glasses actually remind me of the Tom Ford style. Like, if you guys are familiar with Tom Ford glasses, it looks very, very similar. It has like the gold T element on the side here. So I actually think these glasses will be a great Tom Ford dupe. And you guys, these glasses only cost $9.95. Yeah, girl, $9.95 for these glasses. These glasses are not only such a great dupe, but I feel like they look so high end, they look so stylish, they look so sleek. Like, this is my style. This is definitely me. I just love everything about these glasses. Like, this is so me. This is so my style. Like, if you guys are used to watching my videos, you know me by now. Like, you know, I like a little bougie, I like a little high end, and this is giving me that. I love these. So for all the glasses on the website, you could either choose to add your prescription to it, or you could add the blue light lenses to any of the glasses. For those of you guys who might not be familiar of blue light lenses, I will go into further detail and explain it a little bit later. But those are the two add-ons that you could add to either glasses that you purchase on the website. All right, you guys, so moving on to the second pair, these glasses are called Marguerite, and as y'all can see, it's a beautiful purple shade, and in the bottom, it kind of have like an ombre effect with a little bit of glitter in the bottom. So cute. Now, let me try this on. Oh, okay, this is another one. This is cute. I like this. So these pair of glasses, they have a rectangular shape. So it's a little bit different from Elektra, the first pair of glasses that I showed you. Those glasses, it have a cat eye shape. And this one, I think it also suits me well. Usually I don't go for rectangle shaped glasses. I always go for cat eye, but I wanted to try something a little bit different. And yeah, I ain't mad at these. I ain't mad at these at all. The frame on this is also large, which I like. I usually don't like glasses that have a small frame or medium-sized frame. I like for the frame to be fairly big. So I think that's why I like these and why I think this suit my face shape well. But yeah, you guys, I am feeling this rectangle shape. I'm usually more of a simple girl. I like solid colors, straight colors. I usually don't like too much going on in my glasses or just anything in general. I'm so like plain, but yeah, I'm not mad at the detail and the ombre effect in the bottom. I think it looks really nice. It's a little pop, but it's still subtle. It's not too much going on. And I think a pair of glasses like these, they could also be everyday glasses like the first one. And yeah, I think these are very, very cute. Now, these glasses cost $14.95, so they're a little bit more expensive than the first one, but still, that's very inexpensive and very affordable in my opinion. These pair of glasses, they're not prescripted, but I did add the blue light lenses to the glasses. Now, blue light lenses, it helps to limit your exposure to blue light, and blue light could be found in your cell phone, tablet, computer. I would say on a day-to-day basis, most people are exposed to blue light on their electronic devices. So owning a pair of blue light glasses could actually be very beneficial to reduce your exposure to blue light and also help reduce eye strain and increase contrast on the screen. As a YouTuber, I am literally on my phone and on my computer like 24/7. Between editing and checking emails, I'm always on my electronic devices. So I am really looking forward to implement this into my daily routine because I have noticed that my eyes, they are a bit sensitive now to blue light. Like I notice if I'm watching television in the dark, if the brightness on my TV screen is too bright, it actually cause a little bit of straining to my eye. So these glasses are actually going to be very beneficial. And I would also recommend blue light glasses to anyone. You don't just have to be a YouTuber. I feel like in this modern day right now, everyone is literally either on their phone or on their computer majority of the time. So I would recommend that you try out a pair of blue light glasses just so that you could reduce the exposure that you're getting every day to blue light. Now, these pair of glasses, they're available in 3 different colors. I got this in the purple, obviously, and it's also available in a transparent clear color and also in brown. So I'm gonna leave the links to all of these glasses down below, so be sure to check these out. All right, you guys, so these next pair of glasses are called Arhilo. Now, as you can see, it's pink, but in my opinion, it's kind of like a nude pink slash blush color, and it also have a orange trimming around the perimeter of the glasses. Now let's try these babies on. Okay, different. These are really different for me. They're not bad, they're just really different. Now, these glasses also have a cat eye shape, but I would say compared to the first pair of glasses that I showed you, these have a little bit of a smaller frame. I feel like the first pair of glasses were a little larger. It had like a large frame, but these I would say are a medium sized frame. And I think these also complement my face well. It doesn't look bad. If you want a pair of glasses that have a little bit of pop of color, then these will definitely be the glasses for you. I think these glasses make me look like a librarian. Low key, I'm getting librarian vibes with these glasses. What do you guys think? Don't forget to leave your thoughts and opinions down below. Let me know in the comment section, what are your favorite pair on me, you know, which one you liked or disliked. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Oh, and these glasses are priced at $26.99, and they're also available in this pink color, black, and turquoise. All right, you guys, so moving on to the next pair of glasses. These are called Charday, and these are what the glasses look like. Now, I picked it up in the color red. So as you can see, the top is like a cherry red, and it also have like an ombre effect on the bottom into this green shade. And on the sides, they also have this bedazzled crystal ornament on both sides of the glasses. All right, so let me try these babies on. So these are what the glasses are looking like. Now, this is another pair of glasses that are very different for me. And as y'all can see, the cat eye shape in these glasses, they're more prominent and more defined compared to the other cat eye shaped glasses that I showed you guys previously. And also the frame on these glasses are small. I would definitely say this has a small frame to it. And I think for me personally, a small frame pair of glasses like these, they don't really complement my face shape the best. I feel like a style like these will complement a face shape that's a little bit more slender, or if your eye shape are a little bit more narrow, I feel like this would also complement your face shape and your eye shape a little bit better. But yeah, for me personally, I don't think these complement my face shape the best. But one thing I will say though, I am feeling this color. Even though this is typically not the color choice that I would go for, because like I said, I like plain solid colors. I'm not gonna lie, I am feeling this color combo. It looked pretty cute, I ain't gonna lie. And these glasses, they're also giving me like retro vibes, like 1950s. They remind me of something that you would see in the movie Grease. Like these glasses are really giving me retro vibes, 1950 vibes. And these glasses are also priced at $34.99, and they're also available in 3 different colors on the website. All right, you guys, so moving on to the final and last pair of glasses. These are called Veronica, and these are what the glasses look like up close. And as you can see, it has a clear, transparent color. This is another cat eye shaped pair of glasses, of course. And it also have the gold T detail on the side. All right, so let's try these on. Ooh, these are cute. Oh, I like these. Okay, so these are definitely my second favorite pair of glasses out of all of them. Elektra is my number one, and these are second. I really, really like this. It have the classic cat eye shape, which I love. Aside from solid colors, I also love a good, clear, transparent color eyeglasses. I think it also looks very cute. And yeah, I really like this style. It looks simple, cute, stylish, sleek. I love it. I really, really like it. And these glasses, they're also inexpensive as well. They're also priced at $9.95. And yeah, you guys, like, what more can I say? These glasses, they're me. This is another pair of glasses that are definitely my style. They are me. They fit my personality. And I love these. All right, you guys, so that concludes this video. I really actually enjoyed filming this video for you guys and sharing the different glasses that I chose. And big shout out to VoogueMe for sponsoring this video and for working with me on this video. I really enjoyed this one, and I have some great glasses to choose from. And like I said, let me know in the comment section down below which pair of glasses were your favorite, which were your least favorite, which pair of style glasses you like for your personal preference. Just let me know all your thoughts in the comment section down below. And like I said, I'm gonna leave all the information to these glasses that I showed you guys down in the description area. I'm gonna leave the link to everything, the website info. Everything is going to be down in the description area below. So that's all, you guys. Thank you again for watching this video. And if you enjoyed this, please don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe to my channel before you guys leave. Thumbs up this video. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Mwah.